If you are a traditional window cleaner currently and want to try your hand at Waterfed Pole cleaning, or if you're an end user or building owner who are wanting to clean your own windows at the flexibility of your own time as and when you need to, or if you're a contract cleaner where window cleaning is just a small part of your services, then let me update you with the new refreshed GXTEL ECOLINE pole. This is a glass fibre pole range ranging from 2-section 4-foot pole right up to a 7-section 30-foot reach pole. Some of the features of this is the new refreshed high-vis tubing for greater visibility. Very simple but very effective and robust clamped system. This is a great pole range and is a cost-effective solution for you, also combined with the starter kit pack. This includes the DI filtration vessel, so you simply connect this to your outside tap. The water will then flow through the DI filtration resin. This will purify the water suitable for window cleaning. It comes with a 10-metre coil of hose which will go between your vessel and your water-fed pole, and it also comes with a handheld TDS meter. This will give you the reading of the purity of your water, so you can check the purity of your source water and also coming out of your DI vessel, showing you when you need to replace the resin. So in summary, great robust GXTEL glass fibre poles also can be combined as a complete starter kit to get you rolling. I trust this is of interest. See you next time.